Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Nizzy Beauty. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming around. Thank you so much for your support. Then if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also ring the notification bell before leaving. You are highly welcome. So let's get started. Primer helps to cover pores, reduce shine, and also make your makeup last longer. Liquid foundation glides on easily and also tends to provide the heaviest coverage and are best used if there are larger patches of skin you are looking to even out. I started highlighting my T-zones, the top of the cheekbone, along the bridges of my nose, the cubic bow, and just below the eyebrows to keep those places awakened and also highlighted. I set the highlighted areas with a banana setting powder. They are yellow tone setting powders that suits all skin tone. It is used to bake the makeup, to color correct, to reduce the appearance of pores, and makes the face matte and shine free. I applied my translucent powder. Translucent powders are white in color but are nearly invisible on the face. It sets the makeup perfectly without adding any color. However, if you don't blend the powder well, it will look like a white cast. I started lining my brows to lay a base for my eyebrow mascara. Do not start from the beginning of your brows because it tends to be heavy. Starting from the most sparse areas will prevent brows from looking overdrawn. I applied my eyebrow mascara. They are the quickest and easiest way to add color, subtle hold, and fullness to the brows. With your spoolie brush, comb your brows by gently brushing backward against the hair growth direction. This picks up the hairs and wraps products around the follicle, fluffing them up and making the brows appear fuller. Then brush in the direction of your hair growth to smooth them out. Then I concealed with a concealer that is a shade lighter than my skin tone to give it a more defined line. Then use a concealer that is my foundation color to conceal the upper part of it to avoid leaving a harsh line there. Then after all that, I blended it out. Started applying my eyeshadow on the upper crease with a pale neutral color in the shade wine red. I started applying my eyeshadow primer. Oh, this has been a lifesaver for me. It doesn't only prevent your eye makeup from sliding off, fading and greasing, but it is also in a formulation that keeps colors looking through to how they are supposed to be all day long. Keep in mind, it's not only for those with oily face. Some are for moisturizing, color correcting, and also have anti-aging benefits. I continue to darken the inner crease. Then I started applying my shimmer eyeshadow in the shade pink, starting from the tear dot to the center of the eyelid. I continued applying till I got the intensity I wanted. After that, I use a purple eyeshadow on the other parts of the crease and then blended it out to avoid any harsh line. Then I primed and set my lower lash line before applying eyeshadow there. With an eyeliner angled brush, I lined my upper lid using a black eyeliner. This is the steps involved for a cat's eye liner. Then pointed it out to the tear dot for more precision. Continued filling it in. This same process I repeated on the other part of the eye until I got what I wanted. I applied a thin strip of lash glue to the outer seam of the eyelash strip. Then allow the glue to sit until sticky. Then place the lash glue to my lash line very closely. Then positioned it very well. Then after, gummed it together with my natural lashes to give a more natural look. Then used a pressed powder to dust out the excess setting and translucent powder on my face. For a more slimmer facial look, I went in to contour the cheekbones of my face, the edges of my forehead, the corners of my nose bridge, and my neck to give me a more slimmer facial look. Be careful not to go too bright or to use heavy when applying, as these things can make you look like a clone. In general, use a contour that is a shade darker than your skin tone to contour your face. It looks more natural as long as you blend well. This will not only give your face a healthy wash of color, but will also serve to emphasize your cheekbones and highlight the natural contours of your face. Apply your blush on the apples of your cheek and diagonally up to your hairline. After prepping my lips with a lip balm that has sunscreen, cause too much sun exposure can dry out your lips, I lined with a brown lipstick. Then went in to apply my nude color lipstick. Continued lining it. Then after lining, I blended it out. Then I use my brown lipstick to give it a final finished look. As you can see how I'm doing it here. Setting spray, much like primer, helps to keep your makeup in place. This is the final look. I hope you like it. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.